This video tutorial is presented by the Top 10 Best Online Backup. Elephant Drive has made it very easy for you to decide which one of their services is the best fit for an easy-to-read comparison chart. Their prices are some of the most affordable in online backup storage, especially when you factor in everything you are getting from them. Elephant Drive is a great choice for newcomers, very experienced users, and everyone else that falls in between. Your computer expertise is literally irrelevant when it comes to using their services. Elephant Drive looks to provide a diverse range of services so that anyone can use online backup and cloud storage technology for their home or business without paying a ridiculous amount of money. They strive to stay affordable while offering products and services that will make working with them a lot easier. Signing up for a free account is easy. Click on Sign Up and Start Now. On the left, you will see the option for the 2 GB account. Click on the Create My Light Account Now link. Enter your first and last name, email address, confirm your email, and click on the checkbox to agree to the terms. You will now be asked to create and confirm a password. Once you've done this, you'll be asked to download the application, and then you can begin using your free account. The Top 10 Best Online Backup, your complete website guide to online backup.